Hey guys, it's me, Julia. In today's video, I'll be going over practice test 6, calculator section, question 2. So let's get started. I will read the question. The graph above shows the positions of Paul and Mark during a race. So we see Paul and Mark. Paul and Mark each ran at a constant rate, and Mark was given a head start to shorten the distance he needed to run. So Mark is right here. Okay. Paul finished the race in 6 seconds and Mark finished the race in 10 seconds. According to the graph, Mark was given a head start of how many yards? So it's not testing us to determine who got the head start or the seconds at all. It's talking about the head start itself, the very, very beginning. And when you look at the graph, usually the beginning, or I mean, we can tell from here, this is a distance, right? The distance doesn't go to negative. So it's cut off at 0, as you can see. And the time, it doesn't go negative time. It starts from 0 and it goes on in the x-axis. And having a head start means having a head start can be taken in 2 different ways. And I know I'm really thinking about this in a very complicated way, but just to make you understand the whole concept, because this could be not just yards in time, but it could be like milliliters in time or something. So yeah. Well, anyways, it goes from, you could have a head start of 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, so Mark starts running, and after 10 seconds, Paul can start, kind of thing. And you can measure by seconds, but also you can measure by yards. So that person, imagine this like whole relay, like 400-meter, I forgot how like what to call those, but yeah, like the stadium ones, right? And then Paul can be here and Mark can have the distance advantage. So that could be the head start as well. But in this case, what really matters is what you see at the very end of this paragraph is how many yards. So they're not interested in time. So everything they're saying about 6 seconds, 10 seconds, that doesn't matter. What matters is this distance right here. But then you need to be careful because each interval doesn't have a label. We see that it jumps to 12, jumps to 24. And as we can see, it changes by 12. So it jumps by 12. So from there, we know that dividing 12 by 2, it's going to be 6. So each interval, it's 6. So we want to calculate this part right here, because this is the actual difference. Wait, let me change the color. Yeah, this is the actual difference. It's not just 12, but we need to add 6, and that's going to be 18. Thank you.